guys, it's your boy Marlston.
S'mores.
Elston. And today is Halloween, so we're gonna go trick-or-treating and bring you along.
But first, we need to get our costumes on.
Yeah, so see you later when we get our costumes on. Alright, now we have our costumes on. Let's get going.
Okay.
Two hours later.
All right, here we go. We're going to go trick-or-treating. All right, you guys ready? All right, let's go. All right. All right. There goes your boy. Trick-or-treating. All right. We do it the island way. Walking around with a cooler and a pop. Trick or treat.
Thank you.
All right. Just take it. Thank you. Thanks.
Going to the second house.
Huh?
Going to the second house.
All right. We're going to the second house now. Hey, those are trash.
Oh.
Wrong house. Trick or treat.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, they're together. Thank you very much.
I love your costume.
Thanks. Trick or treat.
I'm covering everybody.
Who's got your bag?
Daddy has it.
Ah. What's down there? Balloon?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right.
Be careful.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is how we do it back in the when I was a kid. we do it this way. Trick or treat, trick or treat. We got something good to eat.
Strangle.
Yep. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Trick or treat, trick or treat. We want something good to eat. Oh, what? No candy? We can take food instead of candy. We don't have candy. Ooh, ooh. Or we'll take money. We'll take cash. Oh! Trick or treat! Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alright, take the cookies. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks. Alright, happy Halloween. Good night. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Have fun, guys.
Alright, happy Halloween. Who is this?
like that.
All right. Thank you. All right. Say thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Now we're done with this neighborhood and we're going to Shoreline.
All right. All right. Over there.
Are you full?
I'm full. I'm so full. Lots of candy in my stomach.
So grab.
If I check Taiki? If I check Taiki? Yes, you want to say something to our YouTube channel?
Hello.
Where's your dad? Ay. Yapalım. Kahve çek. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's go. You guys say thank you? We're doing the island way. You want to say something to our YouTube channel?
Hi.
All right. All right, so we're at the shoreline right now with our family. Come on, trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. All right, so where are we at right now?
At my cousin's house.
Okay. What else?
Chilling and talking with family.
So we're at the family's house. We're just enjoying the Halloween. What are you eating? Oh, looks like we're having a party right now. Good food, good people.
Kiriso?
Whoa. It all stinks. I just saw it.
Hey, just some candy, Mom. I've already had too much of that as it is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Channel and subscribe for this dude right here. Yeah. We went to Uncle Daggy's house. Did you guys go to?
Hey, Stein. You want to be on YouTube? Too late, you're already on.
Let me out.
Huh?
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Huh? What did you say? Hello, mate. You want to say hi to Daddy?
Say hi. I'll put it.
La 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 la. La 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 la
Okay,
la.
we're leaving the
It's
family.
been a long day without you, my mom. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way since where we began. Oh, I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Okay, guys, we're done with Halloween and we're going home.
All right. Well, thanks, guys. I think we had a good time with family here in Shoreline. Say 1, 2, 3. Then you say what you have to say. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mozzarella. Cheese. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, right. This is just a video. It's not even a picture. You just got pranked. All right.
Siva Maya. Let me hear your whisper. Let me hear you sigh. Let me put my arms around you. Let me kiss you now. To my lonely mind. Tell my dear boy.
Okay, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then you say cheese. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, that was boring. Come on, one more time. 1, 2, 3. It's a video. All right. One.
Now we got our costume on. Let's
Get going.
get going.
2, 1.
Now we got our costume on.
1.
Now we got our costumes on and we're gonna.
2, 1.
Alright, now we have our costumes on. Let's get going.
All right.